Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, go to Play Store and download Motionleap. Now open application. First, you will get instructions which you can read to understand the functions. Now, tap on Dive right in. Skip this part. Now tap on Home button. Then tap New Creation and add your photo on which you want to create animation. Now start Screen Recorder and start recording this process. First tap on Animate, then tap on Anchor. Now, outline the part on which you don't want animation. Now tap on Path and draw line to create animation. Direction in which you draw the line, the flow will be in that direction. Now, slide left to loop and play the video. Now stop the screen recording and save the recording. Now open any editing application. Go to New Project and add your screen recording. Select Format 9:16. Now zoom the video to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now split the video from the part where you start playing the video. Delete the end part. Now tap on First Clip, go to Speed. Now increase the speed of the video until it comes around 30 seconds. Now check your video. Delete or trim the extra part of the video. Now select Resolution and Export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.